Welcome to the 2024 East Tennessee Overlanders Winter Trip. This year we had 26 vehicles start out this adventure for 3 days and 2 nights in the Kentucky backcountry. We took the route along the Kentucky Adventure Tour just outside of Williamsburg, Kentucky, and hit the track clockwise direction. Follow along as we have some adventure, fun, and yes, some winter weather.
Clear, Don. Thank you, buddy.
Being the lead vehicle sometimes has its disadvantage. In this scenario, we were trying to pick our way across this river crossing and accidentally got stuck in the middle in one of the deepest spots. I had to climb on the hood and front bumper of the vehicle behind us and hook up a winch to the D-ring on the back of the truck. We were able to pull the truck backward and find the best way across the creek crossing. You'll see that here in this next clip as we have Joe test the waters for us.
Back up more and then try right. Unless you're still gonna go in that hole.
Oh yeah, over there is a hole. Just go, just go. Oh yeah. Everybody see the bus?
I think he.
To the right, to the right.
Yeah, true, right.
This is that knot right here, and then you can cut across.
Our first night was spent here at Mullins Station Limestone Mine. We've got camp set up out here. Lots of different scenarios here with rooftop tents and campers and whatnot. We'll take a walk through camp here.
Passenger little, and just keep inching forward.
Passenger. In, straighten it out now. He's gonna drop. If he straddles it, he's fine.
Keep straddling. You're right where the drop off is.
Yeah.
Yeah, just keep going, and as you go about 6 feet, drop in.
3 feet. 2 foot. A foot. Dropping passenger.
Yeah, keep straight. Good.
Joe.
You got 3 feet for the rear passenger.
Yeah.
Somebody can move mine if they need to.
He's right here. He's walking him down. Is there keys in it? Bob?
Quick little next drop off. Going down. Good. Nice inside, about to drop. Awesome. Follow that left line all the way down. Down. I can drop off the lid. Good. Let's keep it forward. About 1 foot and your back track will come right You got another wedge just like that, about 4 feet both sides. It's at a slight angle to the drive. Big shot.
Driver a little bit. Driver. Little more. All right, now you can turn passenger and you'll slowly drop in right here. Easy. right there. A little more driver. Driver. All right, right there. You'll start. Ease it in. Stay straight. You got it right there. A little more this way. That way you don't fall off of it. All right, now turn back passenger. Hold it straight. You're going to slide in right now. That slid off of it. Turn with the driver.
You can see the Colorados parked over there, the line of folks coming down, and then our next guy coming through the tunnel now. All right, it is night number 2 on the Kentucky Adventure Tour. Everyone's settling into camp here. Give you a little 360 view of what's going on at camp tonight. The folks cooking up food, staying warm by the fires, chatting it up, reminiscing about today's adventure. All right, it's Monday morning of our trip. We've got about what appears to be about 3, close to 4 inches of snow on the ground. So we have officially made our winter trip a winter trip. Everybody's mostly packed up. Lots of packing up to do with the cold weather and ice and snow on everything. All the way this way. There you go.
Justin, you better give it hell coming up that hill, man.
Start creeping down.
Tunnel is like terrible.
Really?
Yeah. That's where I had the snack block. The tunnel is coming down over there right
Got
now.
to stay in it and give it gas all the way up.
Whole passenger side hanging off.
Make a turn or whatever. Oh, I'm stopped, man. Alright, we're rolling. Is everything good up there? Because everything is waiting on people. There's some more shit up there. What are you ever trying to get up?
We can probably send the next guy too.
Tell him he's got a floor.
Hey, John, let me know when you guys get to the part where we need to stay to the left.
All right, Hummer, you can start easing your way down.
Tell Esteban to just stay in it.
Esteban, stay in it, man. Gas it all the way up, buddy.
Hey.
Give her gas.
Yeah. It was cool watching that.
Give her gas before that. It's like, traction boards?
Get a truck up on that.
Hey, the trailer's on the back. We got enough pump.
All right, we got a couple of guys up there rigging up to come down here and pull the Hummer. He's just got that trailer on the back and can't get traction to pull. Larry back there with the Alu-Cab cleared those two trees over there just perfect. And then we've got the rest of the group up here waiting to come down.
The trailer is wide.
A JK.
Passenger little.
No. Oh.
Oh no,
He's not there.
Some bitch.
he's how wide was it?
Oh, driver, I mean, sorry, driver. Damn dyslexic. Driver.
Driver, please.
That
A little bit.
backside hanging off.
Just a little bit.
Oh God.
Okay.
It's
It's-
on the
it's-
edge.
it's-
Dude.
I think
Driver.
the one thing we have going for us is that side's slanted, even though where that drop is.
Yeah.
So I'm not that
You're
side.
good. You're good.
Yeah.
All
You're
right,
good.
straight.
He's got.
Straight
Yeah.
up.
Come
Off
on.
that limb.
The only
driver.
thing we're gonna have to crawl everybody.
Yeah.
No suggestion.
You want to have ice. You want to steer close to nowhere. I think we're fine. We're here. Let's just keep going. Okay.
Yeah. Roll them.
You got it, all the way, straight through.
Yeah.
Yeah.
You're good.
Right there.
Yep, keep coming.
Come on.
That's good. Straight. Drive it.
Drive it.
You had your big girl panties on. Good
We
job.
want to get like 2 more over.
Front locker on.
Alright, front locker on.
Tell him it's the button.
Easy, easy.
Time to cut it to the right a little.
Little passenger. Stopping.
Yeah, right there.
Alright,
Hold
stop.
right there. Hold right there.
Downhill running. No, I'm gonna slide. I'm just gonna like go belly first. So we want to go ahead and lift
Give her hell.
here. Then we
Don't give her hell.
let yours all the way out and then back down and strap to you. That way to get her as close to you.
To get her as close to here as possible, at least.
Hey. Oh. Shit. Never mind. Do you want to go ahead and put a strap to her?
10 feet.
Okay.
10 feet.
You want to go ahead and strap them up and then put Lene as a daisy chain?
I guess.
All right, we're on the exit, the south exit of Hard 11 on the Cat. This is what we have to get to, and we've already made it to the overhang rock. I say already, we've winched 3 times to get around that corner down there in the snow. But we're gonna press on, and we've got 18 vehicles behind us to go.
We're clear up here. Hey, Brayden. Hey, Brayden, can you turn off out of the truck for him? Oh, you need that little wheel spin. Try coming passenger a little harder. Passenger. That wheel, only driver, only passenger. There you go. There you go. Keep doing that. Just
pull away.
Alright, you are moving, but slow. So you can stop. You can stop.
Drive her a little bit. Drive her a little bit. Right there. Yep, you slid back into it. You're good. Just like that. Yep. There you go. Looking good. Looking good. Yep. Just like that. Little driver. Yep. Straighten them up. Right there. Yep. Keep on coming. There you go. You're looking great. Keep on coming. And once your back tire hits this rock, you can turn hard left and it'll swing it away. Yeah, right there, all the way left. Yep. There you go, looking good. Steer it to the right a little bit, see if you can grab. There you go, come on baby. Work it a little bit to the right. Looking good. Keep on coming. You're now hard left.
Back off of it again. Try a little bit of momentum.
We'll just back up just a shade. A little bit more. A little bit more. Right there, hold it. Now straighten them up a little bit. To the right. Okay, now do just a little bump forward. There you go. Come on, baby. Work it this way. It's inching forward. Just stay going like you got it. All the way my way. There you go. You got it, brother. Slow and easy right there. You're there. Yeah, just don't stop till you get to the top. I just do a manual second and a good even throttle. Just roll with it. Left a little bit right here. There you go. There you go. Straight shot now.
Waited too long. His tires are packed up too.
Yep. You need a little more throttle and momentum to get past that spot there.
Stay on it.
Come on, Larry. Keep going, keep going, keep going, keep going. Stay on it. Keep going, drive it, keep going. Stop putting those wheels left to right, left to right. Keep going, keep going. Yep, keep going. Keep going. Keep going this time. Keep going. Yep, keep going. Keep going.
He's done?
Have him upshift to third when he's right there.
Yeah.
Tell him manual third from right there and do the same thing.
Yeah, do that again. When you get to that spot right there, go manual third gear.
Yes. Yes.
Stop there, stop there.
Back up just a little bit and cut it more left here. There you go. Now cut it left into the rut.
Put it in second there.
keep going, keep going, keep going, keep going.
Yeah, boy.
Yeah, buddy. Yeah.
Stay on it. Stay on it.
Driver. Stay in it. Hey, do you have a rear locker?
I do. Is the front one doing it too? The front locker engaged. It's not doing it in the front.
The rear's not locked.
Oh, really?
The last thing we want to do is fucking.
Well, there.
There you go. Now try it.
Yeah.
No, it's still not locked.
Yeah, the red. Oh, it's flashing the red light. Hold on a second. Still no?
Keep rocking them that wheel.
It's all right. You're going, so keep going.
Go to second gear.
Stay on it.
That's it. Yeah, keep still, baby. This way.
There's the bus on. You're good, Larry. Just keep the wheel straight.
They're pretty still on this side. Somebody found a glove down there. Hey, Mark might have to come back and get him.
He's on his skid plate.
You're on skid. Yeah.
There you go. Back up. There you go. Now come forward. All the way that way.
finally made it back to Knoxville, and it was around midnight when we got the truck back in the garage. It was an awesome trip, one that we'll never forget. Now it's time to get this thing defrosted, checked out, cleaned up, and ready for the next adventure. Thanks for following along. Please like and subscribe.